We saw just met a friend who is on his Gixxer SF at the moment. The black Gixxer SF you will get to see. There he is.
'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, yeah.
We had planned this ride for a long time. So and I'm not going in for a comparison which of the two bikes are faster. Just in time. Good that he's taking the outside edge and then attacking the corner, which is the right thing to do. And this is the exact same road where I test rode the Benelli TNT 600. Considering the fact that I am not in my riding suit, so I will not go for very high speeds or anything like that. Acha. Oh, I didn't know that we had to take a left turn. लेफ्ट लेना था, छोड़ दिया था हमने। लेफ्ट लेना था, इधर से ही आ जाएगा। चलो राइडिंग सूट वूट पहना नहीं हो ना, ज़्यादा भगान बहुत तेज है। हाँ पावर 32 न्यूटन। हाँ वही तो मैंने कह रहा था, नॉर्मल रॉयल एनफील्ड के मुकाबले बहुत ज़्यादा भागती है ये, बहुत तेज़ भागती है। वो थी ना एक्सेलरेशन बहुत तेज है, मतलब तुमने थ्रॉटल दिया और ये जूम। It's a nice piece of road and the skyline looks so sexy, so nice. I love clouds and cloudscapes. So today I met one of my subscribers and also a Himalayan owner. I mean, it was nice to see that he also got the Himalayan. Chala le? He wants to ride the Himalayan. Honestly speaking, I'm a bit skeptical about that, because this being a completely different structured bike, so in a bit of doubt, honestly. 174 Royal Enfield Himalayan. बुलेट एग्जैक्टली बुलेट नहीं है, रॉयल एनफील्ड की है, मॉडल अलग है। अब बुलेट इसको आप बोलो या ना बोलो, आपके ऊपर। स्वैपिंग टाइम। मेरे को थोड़ा सा अजीब लगेगा, तेरे को भी थोड़ा सा अजीब लगेगा। मेरे को हल्का लगेगा, तेरे को भारी लगेगा। That's a different experience. Ravi Utkarsh and I believe Bengaluru rider. I believe you guys are having fun watching this. Then every other Gixxer SF owner. This is my first time on a Gixxer SF, his first time on the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So we both are going slow, and his bike is, my bike is on low fuel. And the mirrors are nice actually, I like it. Oh, that was close. It sounds nicer from a distance. But this one is so refined. I mean, Suzukis and Hondas are meant for refinement. I like this dashboard, man. The subtle grunt from the exhaust, that feels nice. So smooth, man. I believe we are supposed to take left, are we? Left na? Okay. I believe he wants to enjoy the bike more. No problemo. So my friend DJ rode the Himalayan and I rode his Gixxer SF. It was a new experience for both of us, respectively, for the bikes. Yeah, DJ loved my bike. He just fell in love with the amount of torque this bike offers. He loved the speed, the power and pickup. One thing I noticed that if you have the habit of riding, like if you're a rider, you can ride any damn motorcycles in the world. The CC doesn't matter. The CC matters to those who go or who believes in show off.